Today I will be going to solve exercise 8.3 of the chapter trigonometry from your NCERT book. Okay, but first of all, before starting or before solving this exercise, I would like to say about the complementary angles of trigonometry. Okay, now see students, first you have to learn who will be complement of whom or what will be complement of what. Okay, now see here, complement of each other. Now see, these are the complements of each other. See, the complement of sine will be cos, and similarly the complement of cos will be sine. Here you see, complement of sec will be cosec, and complement of cosec will be sec. Here also same, complement of tan will be cot, and complement of cot will be tan. Okay, so these three you have to remember. Okay, who will be the complement of whom, what will be the complement of what. Okay, first you have to remember these three, the complement pair. Okay, these are the complementary pair. Okay, now see the complementary angles. Sin theta is equals to cos 90 degree minus theta. Cos theta is equals to similarly sin 90 degree minus theta. Similarly here you see sec theta is equals to cosec theta 90 minus theta. If sec 90 minus theta, then sec 90 minus theta is equals to cosec theta. Here also you see tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, and if tan 90 minus theta, then it will be cot theta. Okay, so you have to remember these things. Now see the first one. Here is given, you have to evaluate here sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. Okay, now see the first one, sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. Now see, we know what sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Now you have to write, you can write also cos 72 degree is equals to sin 90 minus 72 degree. Okay, any one you have to take, either sin or either cos. Okay, so that these two will cancel out. Now see, I am taking sin. Okay, now see, sin theta is equals to cos 90 degree minus theta divided by cos 72. This is equals to cos 90 minus 18 is 72 divided by 72 degree. This will cancel out and the answer will be 1. Okay, and you have to write the reason here, that is sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, you have to write the reason, otherwise you will not get marks. Always you have to write the reason. Now see, here also you see tan 26 degree divided by cot 64 degree. Tan 26 degree divided by cot 64 degree. See, here also tan theta is equals to, see, tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta. So write cot 90 degree minus theta, that is 26 divided by cot 64. Now it will be cot 64 degree divided by cot 64 degree, cancel out, and hence the answer will be 1. Now see the third one, cos 48 minus sin 42. Now see students, here 48 plus 42 is 90 degree. Okay, now see, here I am doing cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 degree minus 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Now see here, sin 42 degree minus sin 40 degree, plus minus will be cancelled out and the answer will be here 0. Okay, now see, here is given cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. See here, this will be cosec theta means cosec theta sec 90 minus theta, or sec theta will be cosec 90 minus theta. Now see, I am taking cosec theta, so cosec theta will be sec 90 minus theta. Now write sec 90 degree minus 31 degree, and this will be as well 59 degree. Now see, 90 minus 31 is what, 59. Okay, now write sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree, plus minus will be cancelled out and the answer will be 0. Okay, now see the second one. Now see, show that tan 48 degree, 23 degree, 42 degree, 67 degree is equals to 1, and the second one is given cos 38 degree cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree is equals to 0. So you have to show, okay, means you have to prove here. Now first you have to take the left hand side, that is your given tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree. Now see, complement means we know 90 degree. Okay, now see here, by adding 48 and 42 we will get 90, and see 23 plus 67 is equals to 90. So you have to arrange it. Okay, first you have to arrange tan 48 degree, then tan 42 degree, then tan 23 degree, then tan 67 degree. Okay, now write tan theta means cot 90 minus theta. Now write cot 90 degree minus 48 degree. Here it will be same tan 40 degree. Now here you have to change any one. See, tan 23 degree means cot 90 degree minus 23 degree. Now see, tan 67 degree. Here you have to write the reason always. Okay, tan theta is equals to cot 90 degree minus theta. You have to write the reason always, otherwise you will not get marks. Now see, cot 90 minus 48 means cot 42 degree, and it will be tan 42 degree. Then cot 90 minus 23 means cot 67 degree, cot 67 degree and tan 67 degree. Now it will be 1 into 1. Why? You all know that tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. This implies tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Okay, you have to mention the reason. Now see, so cot theta into tan theta 1 into 1, which is equals to 1, which is equals to right hand side. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, see, you have to do in this way, and you have to always write the reason. Okay students, now see the second one. See, first you have to take LHS, that is cos 38 degree cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree. Okay, now see, we know cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta, and you see here 38 degree plus 52 degree is equals to what? Is equals to 90 degree. Okay, so change it. Cos theta means sin 90 degree minus theta. Okay, then see, cos 52 degree means sin 90 degree minus 52 degree, and it will be same. Okay, as you have to prove here 0. Now see, sin 90 degree minus 38 degree is equals to 52 degree. Okay, sin 52 degree into sin 90 minus 52 means sin 38 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. So plus minus will be cancelled out and the answer will be 0, that is given in your right hand side. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, and always you have to write the reason, that is cos theta is equals to sin 90 degree minus theta. Always you have to write the reason, otherwise you will not get marks. Now see the third one. If tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So here you have to find the value of a. Now see, tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18, but we know that tan theta is equals to cot 90 degree minus theta. Okay, now apply this complementary angle in here. Tan 2a will be what? Cot 90 degree minus 2a. Okay, which is equals to given a minus 18 degree. Now see, equating both the sides, we will get 90 degree minus 2a is equals to a minus 18 degree. Okay, now solve. 90 degree plus 18 degree equals to a plus 2a. This will be 3a, which is equals to 108 degree hence A is equals to 108 degree divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 8, 3 is 6, 18. So A will be 36 degree. Okay, this is your answer. See, this is how to solve. This is how to find A. Okay, now see the fourth one. See, if tan A is equals to cot B, prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Now see, this is your given part that tan A is equals to cot B. Now see, you have to prove A plus B is equals to 90 degree. So first you have to write proof, and you have to start from your given part. Okay, it is given, that is tan A is equals to cot B. Now see students, we know tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, or cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. We can apply any one. Okay, now I am applying in tan, that is tan theta is equals to cot 90 degree minus theta. Always you have to write the reason. Okay, so tan A will be cot 90 degree minus A. Okay, now see, which is equals to cot B. Now on equating both the side, we will get 90 degree minus A equals to B. Now see, A will be here, so A plus B is equals to 90 degree, hence proved. Okay, see, you have to apply this formula. Okay, then you will get this. Equating both the sides, 90 minus A is equals to B, then A plus B will be 90 degree. Okay, you have to prove this here. Okay, now see students, the fifth one. If sec 4A is equals to cosec A minus 20 degree, where 4A is an acute angle, then find the value of A. Okay, so you have to find the value of A here. Now see, this is given to you, so you have to apply the formula. Now see, we know sec theta is equals to what? Sec theta is equals to cosec 90 degree minus theta. You have to write the reason. Okay, now see, sec 4A will be cosec 90 degree minus 4A, which is equals to even cosec A minus 20 degree. So on equating both the side, what? Cosec will be cancelled out on equating both the side. Now write 90 degree minus 4A is equals to A minus 20 degree. Okay, now you have to solve it. Now solve. 90 degree plus 20 degree is equals to A plus 4A. So this will be 10 11 110 degree, which is equals to 5A. This implies A equals to 110 divided by 5. Now see, 5 to 10, 1 2. So A will be 22 degree. Okay, A will be 22 degree. See students, this is how to solve. Now come to the sixth one. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. Now see, this is the most important and easiest maths in this exercise. Now see, this is your given part. You have to show this. Now you have to prove. Now see, if A, B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then we can say by angle sum property, you can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. By what? By angle sum property. Okay, now see, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Now you have to write B plus C. So A will be on right hand side. Now write angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree minus angle A. So now dividing by 2 on both the sides. Now see, B plus C will divided by 2, and here 90 degree minus angle A by 2. Okay, see, now see, here it's taken sine, so here you have to take sine here. Now taking taking sine on both the sides is, we'll see that sine b plus c by 2 is equals to sine 90 degree minus a by 2. Now see students, we know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we'll say sine b plus c by 2 is equals to what? Cos a by 2. And you have to write the reason here. That is sine 90 degree minus theta equals to what? Sine 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. You have to write the reason, otherwise we will not get marks. Now see, this is how to solve this, okay? Hence proved. First you have to write angle sum property, then divided by 2 on both the sides, so that you can get 90 here. Now taking sine on both the sides, and we can get this. Now see the seventh one. See, seventh one is given, express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, this is the easiest one. See, sine 67 means cos 90 degree minus 67, and cos 75 degree means sine 90 degree minus 75 degree. Okay, so you have to change on that terms. Okay students, now see, sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. Now see here, this is very easy. Sin theta means cos 90 degree minus theta, plus cos theta means sin 90 degree minus theta, and you have to write here the reason, that is cos theta is equals to sin 90 degree minus theta, and sin theta is equals to cos 90 degree minus theta. You have to write the reason, otherwise you will not get marks. Now see here, this will be cos 90 degree minus 67, that is cos 23 degree, plus sin 90 minus 75 degree means sin 15 degree. So this is your answer. Okay, this is very easy. Now today up to this, pause the video and solve the maths carefully, practice properly. Okay, always pause the video, then do the maths properly and then check. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then please write in comments. Okay, so today up to this.